Hello children, nice to meet you again in your Maths online class. Students, I hope you have completed the Maths homework. Very good, but don't copy others' homework, okay? Do by yourself, okay children? If you have not written the Maths homework, I will not give the internal mark, okay? So children, do it properly and neatly, okay? Okay children, now let us start our class. Listen carefully. In the previous class, what we have studied? We have studied about how to expand the numbers. Yes, children? Yes. Now, today we are going to learn about the predecessor and the successor of a number. Okay? Today we are going to learn about predecessor and the successor of a number. Okay? First of all, we learn predecessor. Predecessor means the number that comes just before a given number. Okay, the number that comes just before a given number. So before a given number is called its predecessor. Okay children, the number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. Okay, we can get the predecessor of a number by subtracting 1 from it. நம்ம கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பர்ல இருந்து 1 சப் பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன வந்துரும்? predecessor. Okay, suppose for example you take 2. What is the predecessor of 2? 2 ஓட previous number before number என்னது? 1 before 2 before 1. Okay, so the predecessor of 2 is 1. We can get the predecessor of a number by subtracting 1 from it. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So that's why predecessor of 2 is equal to 1. Okay children, the number that comes just after a given before a given number. Okay, the number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. Otherwise a number 1 less than the given number is called the predecessor. Okay, we can get the predecessor of a number by subtracting 1 from it. So a number 1 less than the given number is called the predecessor of the given number. So predecessor means a number 1 less than the given number. Okay, for example, you see the example predecessor of 10,000. So 10,000 oda predecessor enna? Predecessor na enadhu? Before number. Okay, 10,000 oda before number enadhu? 9,999. Yes children, otherwise we can get the predecessor of a number by subtracting 1 from it. Okay, 10,000 minus 1, how much? Yes, 9,999 only. So the predecessor of 10,000 is 9,999. Okay, a number 1 less than the given number is called the predecessor of the given number. Okay children, do you understand? Yes. Now you come to successor. Successor means the number that comes just after a given number. Okay, the number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. Okay, we can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. Okay, we can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. That's why a number 1 more than the given number is called the successor of a given number. Okay, first see the example. Successor of 10,000 is 10,001. 10,001. Successor of 2 is 3. Successor of 5 is 6. 5 after 6. So that's why successor of 5 is 6. Okay, the number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. Otherwise we can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. Okay, ஒரு நம்பர் கூட 1 ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு என்னது கிடைக்கும்? சக்சஸர். 1 சப் பண்ணா என்னது? predecessor. Okay, a number 1 less than the given number is called the predecessor. Successor means a number 1 more than the given number is called successor. You see that difference? மறந்துட கூடாது. predecessor na என்னது? ஒன்றை லெஸ் பண்ணணும். PRE predecessor, previous number, before number பண்ணுறதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஒன்றை சப் பண்ணணும். அப்படிதானே? நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்க நம்பர்லேருந்து ஒன்றை சப் பண்ணோன்னா நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும், ப்ரீவியஸ் நம்பர், தட் இஸ் பிஃபோர் நம்பர் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ சேம் வே எ நம்பர் ஒன் லெஸ் தேன் த கிவன் நம்பர் இஸ் கால்டு த predecessor. Okay, successor means after only will come. Okay, so the number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. Okay, so we can get the successor of a number by adding on to it. Adding, so a number one more than the given number is called the successor of the given number. Okay children, are you clear? Yes. Okay, now all of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. The predecessor and the successor of a number. Write the heading. All of you take your classwork note. Write today's day and date. Continue the classwork. Okay children, don't leave any page. This is first lesson only, so don't leave any page. Okay, you write the heading, the predecessor and the successor of a number. Write neatly children and write straight. Okay, your note is unruled note, so you do correctly. Okay, you write the heading, the predecessor and the successor of a number. Then after you leave one finger space. Okay, then after you write the subheading predecessor. Children, all of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date. After you write the heading, the predecessor and the successor of a number. Then after leave one finger space. Okay, leave it. Then after you write the subheading predecessor. A number one less than the given number is called the predecessor of the given number. Okay, write it. Write neatly children. Write neatly. Then after you write the example. Okay, predecessor of 10,000 is 9,999. Then after you write successor. Next subheading successor. A number one more than the given number is called the successor of the given number. Example, successor of 10,000 is 10,001. Okay, don't forget predecessor na enna cheyanum, நம்ம கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பர்ல இருந்து ஒன்றை சப் பண்ணிரணும். that is predecessor. successor na நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்க நம்பர்லேருந்து என்ன செய்யணும், ஒன்றை ஆட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். ஓகே, தட் இஸ் வெரி ஈஸி. ப்ரெடிசஸர் அண்ட் சக்சஸர். எஸ் சில்ட்ரன், சே எஸ் ஆர் நோ? ஓகே, ரைட் இட். Have you finished? Okay, now you come to the problems. Okay. All of you listen. See the question. Write the predecessor of the following numbers. Okay. Predecessor. Predecessor means, what's it? A number one less than the given number. Okay. A number one less than the given number is called the predecessor of the given number. Okay children. So அப்போ predecessor na என்ன செய்யணும்? நம்ம கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பர்ல இருந்து ஒன்ன சப் பண்ணணும். இல்லனா என்னது? predecessor na என்ன? a number, say the number that comes just before a given number. பின்னாடி உள்ள number. Okay, before a given number is called its predecessor. Okay, now you see the question. 72,510. 72,510. So the predecessor of 72,510 is, say the answer. Therefore predecessor of how much? 72,510. Okay, what is the answer? Predecessor means a number one less than the given number. இதுல இருந்து ஒன்ன லெஸ் பண்ணணும். இல்லனா என்ன சொல்லணும்? before a given number. Okay, what is the before number? இதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன நம்பர் இருந்திருக்கும்? 72,510. so which number is before number? 72,509. yes children, yes. so otherwise we can get the predecessor of a number by subtracting 1 from it. Okay, now your number is 72,510. okay, so now you subtract from 1 from it. Okay, so 1 subtract 0 minus 1 is not possible, so you come to next digit. Okay, so we get borrow. Okay, so here 0, here is 10. so 10 minus 1 is 9. Here 0 is that 0, 5, 2, 7. so your answer is 72,509. your answer is 72,509. okay, so predecessor of 72,510 is 72,509. a number one less than the given number. okay children, so 72,510 minus 1 equal to your answer is 72,509. okay, do you understand children? yes. now you come to the second one. your number is 12 crore 51 lakh 2,109. your number is 12 crore 51 lakh 2109. So what is the predecessor? Predecessor means before a number. Yes, before a given number is called its predecessor. Otherwise, we can get the predecessor of a number by subtracting 1 from it. இதில இருந்து 1 sub பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Predecessor. Okay. So predecessor of 12 crore 51 lakh 2109 is இதில இருந்து 1 sub பண்ண போறோம். Okay. 12 crore 51 lakh 2109. Okay. You subtract from 1. Okay. So 1. You subtract 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 5, 2, 1. Okay. So your answer is 12 crore 51 lakh 2108. Okay. Predecessor of 12 crore 51 lakh 2109 is 12 crore 51 lakh 2108. Okay children, do you understand? That's the predecessor mean before a given number or a number one less than the given number. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now you come to the third one. Your number is 10 crore. Okay. 1 tens 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So your number is 10 crore. So what is predecessor? Predecessor of 10 crore is 10 crore oda before number என்னது? 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999 only. Yes. Yes children, this is mind calculation. So how will you get? Yes, we can get the predecessor of a number by subtracting 1 from it. Okay. So now you subtract. Okay. 10 crore. 10 crore. Okay. Then you want subtract 1. Okay. So 0 minus 1 is not possible. Then you come here. Here also 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then you come here. So this is 0. All the digits are 10. Then after you come to, we get borrow. Okay. So that's why 9. Here also 10. Then after we get borrow 9. 9. Okay. So this is only 10. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Now 9. The remaining all the digits are 9 only. Okay. So your answer is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Okay children. Clear? It's so easy. Okay. நீ ஞாபகத்தில் வைக்கிறது இவ்வளோ தான். ப்ரெடிசஸர்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்க நம்பர்லேருந்து 1 சப் பண்ணி எழுதிடணும், அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே. நவ் நோட் இட் டவுன் இன் யுவர் கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் நோட். All of you take your class work note and write problems. You write the heading problems. Okay. Write the question. Write the predecessor of the following numbers. First number 72,510. So predecessor of 72,510 is 72,509. Calculation and everything you do in rough work area. Okay children? Write neatly. Once a sum is completed, draw a line using scale and pencil. Okay. So that is, don't forget. Once a question is finished, draw a line using scale. Write neatly, children. Write without mistakes, okay? So numbers are there. One number is changed, the total sum is wrong. So you do it carefully. I hope you have written. Okay, now we come to the second question. Write the successor. Write the successor of the following numbers. First question. All of you, listen carefully. Your second question is, write the successors of the following number. Successor. Successor means a number one more than the given number. Okay. Successor means a number one more than the given number is called successor. Otherwise, after a given number. Okay, children, the number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. Okay, we can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. Successor na நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? 1 அது கூட ஆட் பண்ணணும். இல்லனா after number. Okay, children. So, what is the successor of 2,52,100? Successor of how much? 2,52,100. 2,52,100. After the number. 2,52,100 after 2,52,101. Yes, children. Otherwise, we can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. இது கூட 1 add பண்ண போறோம். So 2,52,100 we add 1. Okay. So what is the answer? 101,252. So your answer is 2,52,101. So 2 lakh successor of 2,52,100 is 2,52,101. Okay, we can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. Okay, next question. $99,999. Okay, your question is 99,999. What is the successor? Successor of 99,999 is next number. After a number, say 99,999 after how much? Don't know. Otherwise, what to do? We get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. Okay? You could have managed 1 add panna porom. So add 1. Okay? 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10 carry. 9 plus 1 10 carry. Okay? 10 carry, then 1. So your answer is 1 lakh. 99,999 successor is 1 lakh. Okay, children? The successor of 99,999 is, your answer is 1 lakh. Okay. We can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. Otherwise, the number that comes just after a given number. Okay, children? Do you understand? Yes. Now you come to the third one. Okay. Say the answer. Your question is 20 lakh 210. 20 lakh 210. Okay. What is the successor? Successor of 20 lakh 210. Okay. Is, that's the next number. Okay. Otherwise, we add 1. So add 1 means we add to 1's place only 1. Okay. So 20 lakh 211. 10 plus 1, 11. So your answer is 20 lakh 211. Okay, children? Otherwise, we add. Okay. 20 lakh 210 plus 1. Okay. We add 1 to it. So 1, 2, 0, 0, 2. Okay. So your answer is 20 lakh 211. Okay, children? Do you understand? Yes. Now write it in your classwork note. You continue the class, okay? The first question already done. So you draw a one line, okay? You draw one line using scale, okay? Then after you start the second question. After you start second question, write the successor of the following numbers. Once a question answer is completed, you draw a line using scale. Okay, children? Use scale when drawing the line. Second question, write the successor of the following numbers. Successor. The number one more than a given number is called successor. Okay? We can get the successor. What to do? By adding 1 to it. Okay, children? So very easy sums. Write neatly and write with good handwriting, okay? Again and again I am saying, so write with good handwriting. Now we are studying in 5th standard, okay? So you change your handwriting. Write neatly and beautifully, okay? Calculation and everything you write in rough work area, okay, children? Write neatly, children, and write carefully, okay? Have you finished? Okay, now all of you take your book. All of you take your book. Page number 14. Children, all of you take your book, page number 14. Exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. All of you take your book. Exercise 1.4. I hope you have taken the book. Yes, children. Now you see the exercise 1.4. Okay. You see the first question. Write the expanded form. Write the expanded form for the given numbers. In the previous class, we have studied. Yes, children. Yes. So, what is the expanded form means? The expanded form means we write a number as a sum of the place values of its digit. Okay, ஒவ்வொரு டிஜிட்டோட place value நம்ம என்ன செய்யறது போடுறது ஆட் பண்ணி பிரிச்சு எழுதுறத நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம் expanded form. Okay, so now you do it in your book only. Okay, so you see the first question. In first question A part. Okay, write the expanded forms for the given numbers. Children, all of you listen carefully. Okay, your first question. 57 crore 62 lakh 53,428. Okay, so this is the question. 57 crore 62 lakh 53,428. So now write in expanded form. We write here number as a sum of the place values of its digit. That form of the number is said to be expanded form. Okay. Now you say that is place value of this 5. Okay. So now you write in expanded form. First of all, you say the place value of this digit. Okay. Always you go to bigger number to smaller number. Okay, children. So you take that first value 5. Okay. What is the place value of 5? 1, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 5 into 5 crore. Okay, 5 into 10 crore. So the place value of 5 is 5, 10 crore. So 5, 10 crore means 5 into 10 crore. Okay. So 5 into 10 crore. So 5 into 10 crore means 5 into 10 crore is equal to 50 crore. So the place value of 5 is 50 crore. 50 crore plus next digit 7. Okay. The place value of 7 is 7 crore. Okay. 7 crore. How many zero? Remaining how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. Okay. Otherwise 7 into crore. 7 into crore. So that's why 7 crore. Okay. So 7 crore. 7 into crore. 7 crore. So 7 crore. Okay, children. 7 crore plus next. The place value of 6. Next digit is 6. What is the place value of 6? 610 lakh. 610 lakh. 610 lakh means 6 into 10 lakh. So 6 into 10 lakh is equal to 60 lakh. Okay, 60 lakh. Plus next, what is the place value of 2? 2 lakh. Okay, 2 lakh. So 2 lakh. So that's why you write in numerals. Okay, 2 lakh. Sorry, 2 lakh. Yes, 2 lakh plus next digit is 5. Okay, so what is the place value of 5? 5 10,000. 5 10,000 is equal to 50,000. Okay, the place value of 5 is 50,000 plus the place value of 3 is 3,000 plus the place value of 4 is 4 into 100, 400. Okay, 400 plus the place value of 2 is 2 tens, that's why 20 plus 8 ones, That's why you put in 8. Okay. So the expanded form of 57 crore 62 lakh 53,428 is 50 crore plus 7 crore plus 60 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 50,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 8. Okay, children? It's very easy. Yes, already we have studied. Yes? So now write it in your book. Page number 14. First question, A part. First question, A part. Okay. Write it in your book only. Okay, children? Write it fast. The space given here is very limited. Yes, children? So, write what you write very small. Okay? In your book, the spaces given here is very limited. So, write what you write very small. And count the 0 and write. Okay? Write it in your book only, children. Page number 14, exercise 1.4, first question, A part. Finished? Yes. Now you come to the B part. The question is 463, 308. So, now you see the question. 400 here. This is a international place value system. Yes, ma? Here. That is first one place after the periods are thousands, then after lakh, then after crore. So one period once two place விட்டு mark பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அப்படினா அது என்ன system? Indian system. and international system எப்படி இருக்கும் நமக்கு? Once period after thousands period. So 1000 period consists of 3 places. Okay. 2 places வந்துச்சுனா அது என்னது நமக்கு? Indian place value system. But here is your thousands period consists of 3 places. So that's why this is international place value system. Okay. So do it carefully. Okay, children. Now you read the number 463,308,000. This is ones period. This is thousands period. This is millions period. So 463,308,000. Now you write in expanded form 463 million. Okay. So you put first digit is 4. You put the place value of this digit. Okay, children. Expanded form means we write a number as a sum of the place value of its digit. Okay. That is system is doesn't matter. Okay, children. Expanded form means we write a number as a sum of the place values of its digit. Okay. Now you see the first digit 4. So what is the place value of 4? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So 400 million. What is the place value of this 4? 400 million. Listen carefully. The place value of 4 is 400 million. So 400 million means 4 into 100 million. Okay. So 400 million is equal to 400 million. Okay. So now we put the place value 400 million. The remaining all the places are 0. Okay. So 400 million plus next digit 6. What is the place value of the 6? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Sorry, this is international place value system. Yes. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So the place value of 6 is 610 million. 610 million is equal to 60 million. Okay, children. The place value of 6 is 60 million. Okay. So you put 6. The remaining how many places you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 70. Okay. Now you separate by periods. Okay, this is ones period, thousands period. So 60 million. So the place value of 6 is 60 million plus next digit 3. What is the place value of 3? 3 million. Yes, children? 3 million. So you write 3 million. Okay, 3 million plus next you see thousands period all 0. Okay, the places which have the digit 0 in the short form are not represented in the expanded form. Okay, so we didn't write. Okay, do not write in the expanded form. Okay, children, so now you leave it. 100,000 place and 10,000 place and thousands place, you leave it. Okay, now you come to the hundreds place. What is the 100 place? What is that? 3. So the next digit is 3. இங்க எல்லாம் 0 இருக்கிறதுனால நம்ம அப்படியே விட்டுறலாம். ஷார்ட் ஃபார்ம்ல இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை எக்ஸ்பெண்டட் ஃபார்ம்ல நம்ம ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ண வேண்டாம். ஓகே, now you come to the next digit 3. So what is the place value of this 3? 300. Okay, 300, 3 into 100, 300. Now plus 0. So the places which have the digit 0 in the short form are not represented in the expanded form. Okay, so you leave it that place. Now you come to the next place. 8. What is the place value of 8? 8 ones. So 8 into ones. So 8. Okay, so your answer 463,308,000. Expanded form is 400 million plus 60 million plus 3 million plus 300 plus 8. Okay, children, do you understand? Yes, write it in your book. So ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க, நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு தடவை எக்ஸ்பெண்டட் ஃபார்ம் எழுதும் போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிஜிட் எடுத்தோம்னா ரிமைனிங் பிளேசஸ் எல்லாம் என்ன செய்யணும்? 0 போட்டுறணும். இது மேக்ஸ் ட்ரிக். ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் டு இட். Now you come to C part. In first question, C part. Your question is 70 crore 13 lakh 40,310. Okay, 70 crore 13 lakh 40,310. So say the expanded form. First digit is 7. So the place value of 7 is 710 crore. 710 crore is equal to 70 crore. Okay, 70 crore plus next digit is 0. So you leave it. Okay, next digit is 1. 0 இருக்கிறதுனால அதை நம்ம விட்டுறணும். அடுத்த டிஜிட்டுக்கு வா. That is 1. So the place value of 1 is 110 lakh. 110 lakh is equal to 10 lakh. Okay, 110 lakh is equal to 10 lakh. 10 lakh plus what is the place value of 3? 3 lakh. 1 tens 100 1000 10,000 lakh. The place value of 3 is 3 lakh. Okay, 3 lakh plus next digit 4. What is the place value of 4? 1 tens 100 1000 10,000. So 4 into 10,000 40,000. Okay, children, the place value of 4 is 40,000. Okay, plus next digit 0. So the places which have the digit 0 in the short form are not represented in the expanded form. Okay, so you leave it that place. Now you come to the next digit 3. So what is the place value of 3? 1 tens 100. 3 into 100 300. Okay, 300 plus next digit is 1. That is tens place. Okay, so 1 tens. So 1 tens 1 into 10 is equal to your answer is 10. So 10 plus 0 only. Okay, so leave it. So your expanded form is 70 crore plus 70 crore. Wait, children. Ten lakh. Sorry, here is 0. Okay, leave it. Next number is 10 lakh. Then 3 lakh. Okay, correct only. 70 crore plus 10 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 40,000 plus 300 plus 10. Okay, are you clear? Yes. Write it in your book. Write it in your book. Okay, then remaining, how many questions are there? D, E, F, G. Yes, these 4 sums are homework. Remaining 4 sums are there in page number 14, question number 1. The remaining questions D, E, F. The homework. Okay, page number 14, question number 1. Which questions? The remaining question A, B, C already done. Now the remaining questions are D, E, F, G. D, E, F, G. Okay. These sums are homework. Do in your book. Okay. Okay, children. Yes. Now you come to the second question. All of you see the second question. Filling the blanks. All of you see the second question, filling the blanks. In second question, A part, the predecessor of the smallest 9-digit number. Predecessor of the smallest 9-digit number. What is the smallest 9-digit number? Which number is called smallest 9-digit number? Smallest 9-digit number. Okay. First of all, you write the smallest 9-digit number. All of you listen. Don't write anything. Okay. Now listen. In second question, A part, the predecessor of the smallest 9-digit number. Appo smallest 9-digit number namme eppadi eludhuvom? Smallest 9-digit number means start from 1. Okay. 1, 9 digits need. Okay. Already 1 digit finished. The remaining how many digits are there? 8 digits. So 8 digit you put 0. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is smallest 9-digit number. Yes, children? This is smallest 9-digit number. Which number? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. The smallest 9-digit number is 10 crore. Okay. Now we have to find the predecessor of the smallest 9-digit number. So we have to find now predecessor. Yes? Are you clear? Yes. Now you find the predecessor of 10. What is that is which number? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. Now you find what is the predecessor of 10 crore? Predecessor means what? Say a number 1 less than the given number. Okay. A number 1 less than the given number is called predecessor. Okay. We can get the predecessor of a number by subtracting 1 from it. Otherwise, before a given number. So what is the number? 10 crore. Before the number is 9 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. So your answer is the predecessor of the smallest 9-digit number. Smallest 9-digit number oda predecessor. Predecessor na enna? That's a before number. Okay. Illa na enna cheyano? Namma kuduthirka number landu 1 sub pannanum. Appo namakku enna varum? 9 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. Okay, children. So in second question, A part, filling the blanks. This is the answer. So write it in your book. In second question, A part. Write it in your book only, okay? The predecessor of the smallest 9-digit number. Okay, clear? Yes. Now you come to the second one. The successor of 1 million. 1 million. So 1 million, how will you write in numerals? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Okay? So 1 million. Now here what is asked? The successor of 1 million. So successor of 1 million is? Successor means the number that comes just after a given number. Okay? So after a given number are a number one more than the given number. Okay? We can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. Okay? So upon 1 million kuda 1 add panna enna varum? 1 million 1. So your answer is 1 million 1. Okay children? Write it in your book only. Okay? First A question, answer is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Now the B part answer is 1 million and 1. Next question. C. 99,999,998 is the dash of 99,999,999. Say the answer. என்னது வரும்? predecessor or successor? Previous number only given your answer. Yes? So your answer is predecessor. Yes children? Previous number given. So predecessor. The answer is predecessor. Okay? Write it. Predecessor. 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 99,999,998 is the predecessor of 99,999,999. Okay, write it. Now you come to the fourth question, D part. 100 million is the dash of 99,999,999. What is the answer? Successor. Yes? இங்க என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க? 99. உன்னோட ஆன்சர் இன்க்ரீஸா இருக்கு. ஓகே? 100 மில்லியன் இருக்கு. அப்போ அது என்னது? நம்மளுக்கு 99,999,999 or successor. Adding 1. Yes children? So your answer is successor. 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 Okay? Write it in your book only. Now you come to E part. 43,325,612. ஓகே, எப்போவுமே நம்ம நம்பரை பார்க்கும்போது இன்டர்நேஷனல் சிஸ்டமா இந்தியன் சிஸ்டமாங்கிறத முதல்ல கவனிக்கணும். ஓகே, இன்டர்நேஷனல் சிஸ்டத்தில் எப்படி இருக்கும்? கமா வந்து 3 பிளேசஸாக வச்சு கமா போட்டிருப்பாங்க. சரியா? அப்போ அது என்னது? நம்மளுக்கு இன்டர்நேஷனல் சிஸ்டம். ஸோ ரீட் பண்ணும்போது கேர்ஃபுல்லாக ரீட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ யுவர் நம்பர் இஸ் 43,325,612 plus 1 gives the dash of 43,325,612. What is the answer? What is the answer? எந்த நம்பர் கூட ஒன்னு ஆட் பண்ணாலும் நம்மளுக்கு அது என்னதான்? சக்சஸர். ஓகே, a number one more than the given number is called successor only. Okay, so therefore your answer is successor. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now you come to the F part. What is the answer? The successor of 99,99,000 999. Successor of. Say the answer. என்ன வரும் நம்மளுக்கு? Successor of. எதோட successor? 99 lakh. Write it, okay? 99 lakh. Next. 99,999. Okay. What is the successor of this number? Successor means be adding 1 to it. Okay. Now you add 1. 0, 0. That is 10. Okay. That's why carry. Okay, children. Carry. Then 10, 1 carry. Carry. Okay. 10, 1 carry. The remaining your answer. So your number is your number is, say the number, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So the successor of a 99 lakh, 99,999 is, your answer is 1 crore. Okay, children? Do you understand? நம்மளுக்கு இதோட சக்சஸர் என்னன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ சக்சஸர்னா என்ன செய்வோம்? ஒன்று ஆட் பண்ணுவோம். ஒன்று ஆட் பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வந்துச்சு? 1 crore. Okay. So your answer is 1 crore. The successor of 99 lakh 99,999 is 1 crore. Okay. Write it in your book only. Second question. A, B, C, D, E, F. Write it in your book. Second question answer. Write neatly, children. Okay? Do you understand, children? So today homework only page number 14, question number 1, D, E, F, G. Okay? Do in your book only. Okay, children? No need to copy in your max homework notes. Do in your book only. Okay? Again and again I am saying your homework in the book. Okay? Okay. Now we will see in the next class. Okay? Thank you.